Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll talk about Oracle, an Ethereum smart contract that performs sequence of tasks automatically, a platform that sends data from the outside world to a blockchain and can execute the disbursement of money. Sounds interesting, right? Yeah, but before we begin, kindly subscribe to my channel and put on the notification bell to be updated on all my newly released videos. With that all said, sit back and journey with us to the end of this video as we unveil Oracle. Firstly, what is an oracle? A blockchain oracle is any gadget or element that interfaces a deterministic blockchain with off-chain information. There is a ton to unload in that one sentence. To comprehend what blockchain oracles are and why we want them, we should return to one of the center highlights of a blockchain, decentralism. Since the blockchain has its circulated record nature, every hub in the organization must have the option to find a similar outcome given a piece of similar information. In any case, when a hub hopes to approve an exchange another hub makes, it would wind up with an alternate outcome. This engineering is deliberate, and it's intended to be deterministic purposefully. For instance, we can see that when we send $5 from Peter to Kimberly, we can undoubtedly add $5 to Kimberly's surplus and take away $5 from Peter's. Each hub in the organization could without much of a stretch recreate this, come by similar outcomes and end up in a similar state. However, imagine a scenario where this wasn't true. We should envision a fanciful blockchain where they use APIs to approve each other's exchanges. Suppose we need to set a variable sum in light of the cost of ETH to Kimberly from Peter's record. We would have our agreement call an API to get the cost of ETH and afterwards send that up to Bob. At the point when every other hub goes to check this, they additionally need to call this API. However, what is the plan? Assuming they call the API even a moment later, the API might have changed, deteriorated, hacked, or for different reasons, and every one of the hubs would obtain an alternate outcome. This implies the hubs would generally not have the option to concur upon what the genuine condition of the blockchain is. It's thus the Ethereum blockchain and most blockchains are intended to be altogether deterministic. That implies if we somehow manage to replay each exchange, we would wind up in the right state. Assuming that you incorporate API calls or other non-deterministic sources into the foundation of blockchain, there is a decent opportunity that the source will be deteriorated, hacked, or even recently broken, and we wouldn't have the option to approve exchanges. In the blockchain, the system for concurring upon information esteem is called the agreement, and determinism is significant with the goal that hubs can agree. You could have known about some of them, similar to Proof of Work (POW) with Nakamoto Consensus or Proof of Stake or POS with Byzantine Consensus. The agreement is one of the key fixings that make blockchain work in any case. In any case, we want the blockchain world to associate with this present reality. We want to get the cost of Ether and other digital currencies into an agreement so we can have DeFi. We want to get the climate information so we can have decentralized trustless protection. We want the information to utilize blockchain for quite possibly its most significant reason, brilliant agreements. So how would we span the universes with this limitation? How oracles settle this? A blockchain oracle is any gadget or substance that interfaces a deterministic blockchain with off-chain information. These oracles enter each datum input through an outer exchange. Along these lines, we should rest assured that the blockchain itself contains all of the data expected to check itself. To this end, oracles are known as blockchain middleware. They are the extension between the two universes. So that is all there is to it. This is perfect. Be that as may, what's this? I continue to catch wind of an oracle issue? What is the oracle problem? We should make a stride back and recall why we are expanding on-chain in any case. A tremendous explanation we do anything on-chain is for decentralism. Nonetheless, information needs to come from someplace. If we import information from a solitary API, hub, or source, we have now basically eliminated the whole reason for utilizing blockchain in any case. A brought-together oracle implies that one substance has control over your brilliant agreement, and your shrewd agreement is currently no more excellent than an ordinary agreement. What's more, regardless of whether the brought-together oracle has the best goals, we've seen it goes after as of now where a concentrated oracle is hacked, went after, obsolete or not kept up with, and disaster follows. Concentrated oracles are gigantic weak spots. The oracle issue is these two pieces consolidated. Blockchains alone can't access outside information. Utilizing unified oracles invalidates the upside of shrewd agreements and our significant security chances. Chainlink tackles both of these is the norm for decentralized oracles. What is a decentralized profit? A decentralized oracle or decentralized oracle network is a gathering of free blockchain oracles that give information to a blockchain. Each free hub or oracle in the decentralized oracle network autonomously recovers information from an off-chain source and welcomes it on-chain. The information is then collected so the framework can come to a deterministic worth of truth for that data of interest. Decentralized oracles tackle the oracle issue. Chainlink is a system for picking your free organization of hubs to interface this present reality's information to the blockchain to empower brilliant agreements to arrive at their actual potential. With this, we are utilizing a similar solid decentralized foundation idea the blockchain has, yet for blockchain oracles. If hubs/sources are hacked, deteriorated, or erased, the organization of Chainlink will use the decentralized organization and continue. Decentralized oracles are the arrangement. Gigantic commercial centers are utilizing the Chainlink innovation to assist you with picking your organization of free hubs to pull your information from. Along these lines, your shrewd agreements can without much of a stretch never have a weak link. The innovation is blockchain rationalist and is continually attempting to incorporate more blockchains, so all blockchains can approach dependable, secure off-chain information. Furthermore, the best part is that the documentation is perfect for amateur specialists and experienced the same. Utilizing one blockchain oracle is a tremendous gamble, and Chainlink offers a fabulous new environment around the information. Blockchain oracles are the way to open the future that shrewd agreements have for us. Oracles likewise give an approach to blockchains to see into one another. This is known as interoperability and is a significant subsequent stage also. By the day's end, for brilliant agreements to be the predominant type of arrangement, we want admittance to different and solid information. To this end, we want oracles. After saying all this, the video for today has come to an end. I sincerely appreciate your commitment to watching the entire video today. If you found value in today's video, please click like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive updates on our newest videos. With that, I bid you adieu.